In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clear, trackable task so you never miss a follow-up or next step with your contacts. First, open your Zoho CRM and head to the tasks area. You can get there from the main navigation. This is your home base for everything you need to follow up on. Depending on your view, you might see a list or a Kanban board. Either way, you're in the right place to add and manage to-dos tied to your sales workflow. Next, click Create Task. This opens a simple form. Start with the subject. Make it short, specific, and action-driven so anyone on your team can understand it at a glance. For example, write things like call to confirm meeting time or send pricing proposal instead of something vague like follow up. Clear subjects make searching and reporting much easier later. Now choose a due date. Pick a realistic date that matches your follow-up cadence. Due dates help tasks show up in your daily priorities and make it easy to sort what needs attention first. If you already promised a time frame to a client, match that here to keep your commitments visible. Link the task to the right contact. This ties your to-do directly to a person in your database, so all emails, calls, and activities sit together in one timeline. Use the search to find the correct record and select the individual you plan to reach out to. This is key for keeping context intact across your pipeline. Set the priority. Use high for time-sensitive or revenue-critical items, and normal or low for routine follow-ups. Consistency matters here. If your team follows the same rules, your task view will immediately show what needs action first without extra filtering. Add a description. This is where you include the details you'll need when you return to the task. Summarize the context, any talking points, and what a successful outcome looks like. Keep it concise but informative so you can act quickly when it's time to execute. Finally, click Save. Your task is now created and will appear in your Tasks module. You can sort by due date or priority, switch between views to see workload at a glance, and open the task anytime to review the details you added. When you complete the action, mark it done so your list stays clean and your activity history remains accurate. That's it. Create a clear subject, set a due date, link the right contact, choose a sensible priority, add a helpful description, and save. Use this process consistently to stay organized and keep your deals moving forward.